Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. Other day I was thinking, if I have to search for an internship for me, then what will be my approach? How I will go to internet and search for an internship opportunity? That is what I am going to show you in this video. Apart from that, I am also going to give some tips towards end of the video, which is going to be very beneficial for freshers to make their internship journey smoother. In this video, we will talk two main things. Number one, what is internship and what are the prerequisites of getting a good internship? And number two, how to apply and approach for the internship. Let's start the discussion. What is internship? So internship, I will not talk about any bookish definition, but internship is nothing but a bridge between you learning data science and you becoming a data scientist. There is a difference, guys. When you go for an interview and say, I am learning data science. On the other hand, when you say, I am a data scientist, there is whole lot of difference. If you want to create that bridge, if you want to come to this side of the bridge, internships are the answer. Now, how to apply for internship or what are the prerequisites of getting a good internship? So it's very simple to understand, guys. Imagine yourself as a CEO of a company and I reach out to you and I ask you for an internship opportunity. Will you waste your time on me if I am not useful to you? Very simple to understand, right? So before applying internship, you should ensure that you are capable enough, you are equipped enough to help the organization. It's a mutual help. Organization is giving you experience and you are helping organization with your skills. So the basic prerequisite before applying internship is you should be equipped with machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, whatever area you are looking for internship in, with those skills, and you should be ready to devote and give your time. That is how you should be, prepare yourself before applying for internship so that your internship journey becomes little easier. The expectation from both the sides are met. Now I'll take you to my screen and show you if I have to search for internship today at this moment, then what will be my approach step by step. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you the process step by step. So the approach we are going to discuss is called the SEAT approach. What is that SEAT approach? Search, evaluate, approach and track. I am going to show you with example what I mean by these four steps. So step one is searching. So where to go for search? Obviously Google, right? So I go to Google and say data science internships, right? So let me search for data science internships and then I get a list of internships here. So what I will do, let me first of all click this link, okay, 100+ jobs. So this is directly coming from Google. So let's see. The first link is spoonshot.com, right? Spoonshot. So I don't know anything about this company as of now. So the first step is after searching, I will evaluate. As you can see in my PPT, I am evaluating how this company is, right? How do I evaluate? 3 steps. Number one, I will go to the LinkedIn page of this company. I don't know anything about this company. Let me go to LinkedIn. Number two, I also want to see some reviews of this company. Let me go to Glassdoor. And number three, I also want to see this company's official website. Now let us go to LinkedIn and see about this company, right? So at least we have some idea about this particular company. And here we can see about this company. Spoonshot is a tech stars backend company. Our technology leverages food science, big data. What is the company size? It is in pre-seed stage. And other information about the organization we can get here, right? About how many people are there, all those things, correct? 11 to 50 employees, as you can see here, 26 are on LinkedIn, right? Headquarters is in Minnesota. This kind of information, 2015 found. Okay, fine. Let us come to Glassdoor and see what people are talking about this particular organization. So all this exercise we are doing just to see, how is this organization overall. So again, 1 to 50 employees, headquarters, right? And then some of the feedbacks here. This we can see. What is the third thing? We will go to the website and evaluate this organization. This is the official website of this organization and it says a front-end innovation research platform that leverages AI and food science to predict food trends. So this company is doing something with food science and AI and data science technology, right? That is what overall this company does. We have the basic information we have searched the company and we have evaluated that this company looks to be a genuine company, and then what area it works on, right? Now we will approach. How to approach this company? There are multiple ways. Number one is, when I open this LinkedIn page of this organization, I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but on the right hand side it was showing reach out to Yes Pratyush. Yes Pratyush works here. So in my connections there is one guy, Yes Pratyush, who is kind of associated with this organization. Okay, so one way to approach this company will be through this LinkedIn Connect. Other way to approach this company will be, let us click here, all 26 employees on LinkedIn. That is where I tell you always to create more and more connections. More and more connections you have, more and more opportunities will open, right? Here they are the people, right? Sai Srinivas K is the co-founder and CTO, and then we have some more profiles. If you have anybody who is in your connection, then you can reach out through them. If not, you can connect to these people and reach out from them as well. That is way one. What is way two? Way two is, when I open this profile, there is an apply link, apply on AngelList, right? Here also you can apply. Number three, on the official website of Sponote, you can go and you can see maybe there will be a careers page and there will be the internship opportunities. So I'm just talking about multiple ways how you can apply to this company, right? And similarly, once we have applied, then comes the tracking part. Tracking part I will show you in the end. Before that, the other places, known places to search for data science internship. So I went from the Google link. You can also go from the Internshala, which is a good respected name in the world of internships, right? You can also directly search for internship opportunities on LinkedIn. So if I am seeing here Internshala, you can see data science, some of the opportunities, right? And we can apply our seat technology, seat approach in all this, filtering of companies and applying, right? Many opportunities are here. Apart from this, LinkedIn also, if you go, ZBliss Technologies, CodeMonk, data science intern in Bangalore, Analytics Vidya is also there. So if you go to Analytics Vidya, you can see 14 of my connections work in Analytics Vidya. So if you have more connections, then more people you will find in different organizations, right? So till here we have seen how to search for company, how to evaluate, and how to apply. Last part is tracking. So I'm going to show you an Excel sheet here. If you can see this Excel sheet, guys, what I'm doing here is I'm just maintaining a tracker of what all I have done. So if you see company name, the first company we filtered, right? What is the LinkedIn URL? This URL. What does this company do at high level? AI and food science to predict food trends. Applied through, how did you apply? Company website or LinkedIn or through any other connection. What is the latest status? We can write something like submitted the test project on 23rd AUG, right? Submitted the test project and waiting for the evaluation, right? This way we can have like 40-50 companies here and we can keep tracking. So this was the approach which I think I will take, and I wanted to show you the same approach. Now I told you about some tips for freshers in the beginning. So the only one thing that freshers should keep in mind is you should look very professional when you are doing an internship. What I mean by that is, you should not take internship very lightly. You should not be in a mindset that I'll give couple of hours and then this is not a job. It is more than a job for you. It is your launch pad for getting a very good job. It is a launch pad in your data science journey. You should take it very, very seriously. You should ask for feedbacks. You should give feedbacks. There is a whole lot opportunity for you to learn the data science landscape. There is whole lot opportunity for you to learn how industry works, how real world problem work. Grab all those opportunities and ask for feedbacks from the senior data scientist, from the teams, from the groups. Create very good connections. All these things is going to help throughout your career. So this is what I wanted to show you, how to look for internship, what are the prerequisites, and what is internship all about. I hope you like this video. If yes, just give me a thumbs up. In the comments, ask your doubts, ask your queries, and write me what you feel about this video. I'll come up with another interesting video. Till then, all of you stay safe and take care.